I think that I can't eloquently put into words like just the gut feeling I have. However, there's a reason why so many queers love Yiddish. And I think that maybe it's like the language that rose from its ashes. Maybe it's that part of that. Maybe it's like, it's really like a preposterous thing to study Yiddish. It's a really preposterous thing to be queer. I think that a lot of people are drawn to Yiddish as like this like marginalized language. And I don't know if I think about Yiddish in that way so much. I don't think I think about queerness in that way so much anymore either. But there's something to be said, just to put that out there. I don't know. I don't like to say that anything's inherently queer, so I won't. But Yiddish feels really queer to me. And even there's something so queer about like trying to like my experience of Yiddish has been like trying to form sentences and thoughts and express my feelings and just clamoring at these like kind of like old words or words that I don't even know have a word for them in Yiddish and trying to like make something of those thoughts and feelings in this new language that feels reminiscent of being queer.